In this video, we will use the Power Probe 4 to show you how to quickly and easily diagnose a power window circuit in this 2008 Mazda Speed 3. Our customer is complaining about the left rear window not working. We start our diagnostics by verifying the customer's concern. We find that the left rear window is inoperative up or down from both the driver's master switch and the left rear window switch. Looking at the schematic, we find that when the ignition key is turned on, power is supplied to the master window switch and left rear window switch through the 30 amp fuse. We check the fuse, and the fuse is good. Our next step is to test for power at the driver's master switch. After removing the switch, we back probe the green wire. It shows that we have battery voltage. Next, we'll test the lockout switch operation. The lockout switch controls the ground circuit to all the passenger window motor switches. We will use the Power Probe's feed test mode to check for continuity and excessive resistance to ground. We'll back probe the yellow wire and check for continuity by turning the lock switch on and off. The Power Probe 4 is showing continuity and zero resistance to ground, so we know the lockout switch and ground circuit tests good. We will now disconnect the master switch and test the rear window switch, window motor, and wiring. By using the Power Probe's ability to supply power and ground directly to the up and down circuits, we can test the motor's operation. We've located the down circuit as the violet wire and the up circuit as the blue wire. We install the Power Probe's auxiliary ground to the blue wire and supply power from the tip to the violet wire. This causes the window to go down. By reversing the leads, this reverses the polarity and causes the window to go up. Here, we're taking advantage of the Power Probe's ability to power up circuits and components and the diagnosing time it can save. By doing these two simple tests, we have very quickly eliminated the left rear window switch, the window motor, and the wiring between as possible failures. Looks like the only thing that's left to check is the driver's master switch. We will check the master switch operation by using the feed test mode. We install one of the leads of the Power Probe to the terminal of the green power wire on the master switch and the other lead to the terminal of the violet wire on the master switch. Pushing the left rear window switch down, we complete the circuit and get a high resistance reading. We remove the lead that was installed to the terminal of the violet wire and move it to the terminal that was paired to the blue wire. When we activate the switch up, we get a high resistance reading as well. When comparing the readings to the right rear switch, we get a low resistance reading. Looks like the left rear switch has excessive resistance internally to the master switch. After replacing the switch, we test the operation of the window and it works. We have showed you how the Power Probe 4 can quickly diagnose window faults in real-world conditions without having to remove door panels and having to test window motors the traditional way. For more information and videos, visit powerprobe.com.